Where are you? Why are you walking over there?
Because there's ketchup.
Go. What are you doing with the spoon? Leave the spoon. What are you doing with the spoon?
This is the old spoon. And the spoon is up there. Other spoon back there.
Where are we going? What are we doing?
We are going to have to go.
We're going to get the goats?
Yeah. You take some stuff right down. And then one to have you go on the floor.
So what are you doing with the spoon?
Bush.
Okay, can you stop beating the turmeric? Are you going to bring them up by yourself?
No, I need some backup.
You need backup?
Yeah. I'll tell you.
Okay, go.
When my walkie-talkie, you do backup. Tell me backup. To where? Yeah. Okay, you have to stay right there. I'm going to give you one walkie-talkie. Here, catch.
That's the sunset over there. It's getting dark. It's getting late. The turmeric starts to dry down. That means it's almost reaping time. I'm coming. Stop. Stop that. I don't know why they're getting so aggressive in there because I feed them already. Go. Come, let's go. Go. Christian, why you tied? You tied them too close to there. You see they're dragging each other? Hold on. Ah! What? Hold on. You loosen? Hold on, they're up. Hold on. Hold on. Can you lose the other one, please? There's, you lose the other one. Yes, please.
Here, hold it. Tiny Bunga!
Christian, stop.
I don't know. Let me.
Alright, that's enough. Just loose it. Alright, step on the rope. Step on the rope.
Oh yeah, it's the kid one.
I can't. Yeah.
Oh.
You see?
Yeah. Whatever.
Trying to lose the rope over there.
Okay. Need him. Wait more. Need some more.
Don't pull it like that. Pull the knot. Yeah. Loosen the knot. Pull the knot towards you. Yeah.
Here.
Alright, let me loose this out.
We're going to tear off the tip.
Here.
Thank you.
You're going to put...
I'm going to tear
Ooh, mosquito. Come on, mosquitoes down there.
down here. Yes.
Alright, let's go. Careful. Let's go. Go. Just come on. What? Alright, go. Watcha. Take time with him. Go. What are you doing? Where are you? Go. It's just like skiing. Go. Skiing. Go. It's just like water skiing. Yeah, she's gonna pull you. Go. Why are you pulling them? Go. I'm good. You can go. Go.